Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up employee benefits in Gusto. Now, providing benefits isn't just a nice perk, it's a game changer for hiring and keeping great people. Luckily, Gusto makes setting up benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and more all surprisingly simple. So let's walk through how to get started. Step one is to go to the benefits tab. Now on your Gusto dashboard, look for benefits tab that's in the left hand menu. Now this is where you're going to manage all things related to employee benefits, whether it's health insurance, dental, vision, 401ks, or commuter perks. Now, if this is your first time, you'll see an option that says something like set up benefits or explore benefits. So just click that to begin. Now, step two is to choose which benefits to offer. Now, Gusto will guide you through a list of available benefits. Now, these typically include benefits such as health insurance, dental and vision insurance, 401k retirement plans, life insurance and disabilities, commuter benefits, HSA and FSA accounts. Now, you can pick what makes the most sense for your team and your budget. And if you're not sure, Gusto provides side-by-side plan comparisons and even licensed advisors to help you to make a decision. Now, step three is to get a quote or connect an existing plan. Now, if you don't already offer benefits, Gusto can help you get quotes from top insurance providers, and you'll enter basic information about your team and company size, and then they're gonna give you a list of options, and you can view these plans and their pricing. Now, if you already have a plan through another broker, then no problem. You can just connect your existing benefits to Gusto so that everything stays synchronized. Step four is to enroll your employees. So once you've selected the benefits, Gusto makes enrollment super easy. Your employees will get an email invitation to review the options, and they can choose their plans and enroll all completely online. Now they can see what each plan covers and what it costs them per paycheck, and even they can compare plans before deciding, and you don't have to manage piles of paperwork. Step five, you can monitor and manage benefits. Now after setup, you'll see everything in one place where you can track who enrolled, manage employer contribution, update plans during open enrollment, as well as to ensure deductions are automatically reflected in payroll. Now Gusto also handles compliances and reporting for things like COBRA, ACA, and more, so you don't got to worry about those. And yeah, that's it. Your benefit setup is live. Now, whether you're offering just the basics or a full suite of perks, Gusto helps you to manage it all with less hassle. So if you like the video, if you like the information, if you found it useful enough, then like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.